In this video, I will show you how to fund your PayPal account. You can use this method if you do not have the opportunity to fund your account using another method. To get started, you need to have your main PayPal account. How to create a PayPal account and set it up, I showed in the previous video. You can find a link to this video in the description. After that, you need to remember your email or phone number to which you registered your main account that you want to replenish, because you can only top up your PayPal account by email address or phone number. After preparing the main account, you need to create a second PayPal account, because from the second PayPal account, we will send money to the main PayPal account. To do this, you need to create a PayPal account, which we will use to fund the main account. To register a second account, you need to use a new email and a different phone number. All other registration data can be specified in the same way as in the main PayPal account, but the email and phone number don't have to match. After creating a second account, you need to confirm your email and then connect a bank card. If you already have a credit card connected to your primary account, you can also use it in that second account to top up your account. I recommend connecting a dollar bank card. If you do not have a dollar bank card, then you need to contact a bank in your country to open one, because in some national currencies, PayPal rejects payments. Also, the bank card must have at least $2 or $3 on the account, which will be withdrawn from the account for card verification. After completing the verification of the card, you will be refunded. The second account is ready. Now we can top up the main PayPal account using the second PayPal account. To do this, you need to select this section to send money. After that, enter the email or phone number of your main PayPal account that you want to recharge. To replenish, it is enough to have more than $5 on your bank card, including the commission. If you have an error after starting to send money, then wait 2 or 3 days after verifying your bank card, or use a dollar card. I have an error due to the fact that I used a bank card in the national currency. After changing the card to a dollar card, I was able to send money from the second PayPal account to the main PayPal account. Therefore, I recommend using your bank's card in dollars to avoid such mistakes. Let's check the account status of the main PayPal account. After sending the money was sent immediately. I received $10 from the second PayPal account. I also paid a fee, about $2, for sending money from a bank card. Therefore, take into account the commission for replenishing the account. In this way, you will be able to top up your main PayPal account using a second PayPal account. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.